Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best MPC Remote Start is probably one of the most convenient and sought-after car accessories for drivers who value comfort and ease of use. In this video, we will explore its features, installation, and the factors to consider before purchasing one, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your vehicle and lifestyle. Number 5. MPC Jeep Wrangler Remote Start. This kit lets you start your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler remotely, using your existing key fob. It's a simple and convenient way to preheat or pre-cool your car. Installation is quick and easy. It's designed to be completely plug and play. You'll be enjoying remote start in about 15 minutes. No need for extra key fobs. Just press the lock button 3 times on your factory remote to start it. It's that simple. Beat the heat or the cold. Start your Jeep remotely to have it at the perfect temperature when you're ready to go. We're here to help. Need assistance? Access our online support or call our US-based tech support team for help with installation or any questions you may have. Enhance your remote start experience with optional smartphone module or additional remotes for extended range. Links to these upgrades are available in the product description. What we like. It boasts a seamless plug-and-play installation, utilizing your existing key fob. This makes it incredibly convenient and quick to set up. If you value ease of use and a speedy installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Installation on a 2012 Wrangler took less than 10 minutes. It has worked every time. The wiring harness is well made. The programming was very simple and straightforward. There are plenty of YouTube videos to show you how it is done, plus the package came with a QR code to specific instructions. This system literally took minutes to install and program. Works flawlessly. Number 4. MPC Toyota Highlander Remote Start. This kit lets you start your 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander remotely using your factory remotes. It's designed for a quick and easy installation. Installation is a breeze with the included T-harness. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. Basic wiring knowledge is helpful. Use your existing key fob to start it. Just press the lock button 3 times, and it will start. No extra key fobs needed. It works with your car's existing keyless entry system. You'll be able to preheat or pre-cool your car from afar. For security, it automatically shuts off if a door is opened. Peace of mind is included. Enhance it with our smartphone app or add long-range remotes for even more convenience. These are available at an additional cost. Need help? We've got you covered with US-based tech support and online resources to guide you through the installation process. What we like. This remote starter offers a truly plug-and-play experience, designed for push-to-start vehicles. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation process, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy install, quick and works well. Pretty simple installation that took about 45 minutes total. Works with factory key, which is a big plus. My boyfriend found a YouTube video that walked him through each step. The whole process was pretty quick too. Works great. The range is good too. It's so nice to come out to a heated or air-conditioned car now. Number 3. MPC Remote Start Kit. This kit offers a convenient and secure way to start your vehicle remotely. It's compatible with various Chevrolet and GMC models from 2003 to 2006. Everything you need is included: remote starter, data module, and pre-wired harness. Installation is simplified with this all-in-one package. Enjoy features like lock, unlock, start, and stop functions, all with an impressive range. You can even program the run time and set a timer for cold weather starts. It's a semi-plug-and-play system, minimizing complex wiring. Detailed instructions are provided to guide you through the process. Need help? We offer US-based tech support to answer your questions and guide you through any challenges. Plus, there's 24/7 online support. Upgrade your experience with the optional smartphone interface for added control and convenience. sold separately. It is compatible with Chevrolet and GMC models from 2003 to 2006, including Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, Suburban, Yukon XL, and Avalanche. Automatic transmission only. What we like. It comes with 2 remotes and offers a mostly plug-and-play installation, minimizing the complexity. Plus, you'll have access to top-notch US-based tech support. If you need reliable support and appreciate added convenience of extra remotes, this is a great option. What people say. The plug-and-play did not pick up my brake trigger, so I had to hook the purple wire that says, "Brake trigger do not hook up," to the brake pedal switch plus 12V that triggers the brake lights. First, the directions walk you straight through, and if you follow them it takes no time at all and is a straightforward process. This includes the programming part. 100% plug and play on my 06 Silverado. Programming it to work with the phone app add-on was pretty easy as well. The range far surpasses the factory fob range, and with the phone app add-on I can start my truck from anywhere with cell service. Number 2. MPC Factory Remote Start for Dodge Ram 1500. This kit lets you start your 2009 to 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 from a distance, using your factory remotes. It's compatible with both gas and diesel models and is designed for automatic transmissions only. Simply press your factory key fob's lock button 3 times to start it remotely. No extra key fobs needed. Preheat or cool your car before you even get in. This system features a plug-in T-harness for quick and easy installation. It significantly reduces wiring compared to other systems. Detailed instructions are included. Enhance it with our optional smartphone app or upgrade your remotes for added convenience and range. These options are available at an additional cost. We offer comprehensive installation guides and US-based technical support to help you every step of the way. Contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. It's a plug-and-play system that leverages your factory remote, making installation incredibly simple. This eliminates the need for extra key fobs, keeping things streamlined. If you prefer a clean, integrated solution, this is ideal for you. What people say. Took less than 3 minutes to install, works perfectly. Remote start works perfectly. It was really easy to install. It took less than 10 minutes start to finish. And works like a charm. Number 1. MPC Silverado Remote Start. This kit lets you start your Chevrolet Silverado from up to 1,500 feet away. It's compatible with 2003 to 2006 models and includes everything you need for installation. It's a semi-plug-and-play system, making installation easier than ever. A detailed installation guide is available online to help you through the process. The kit comes with 2 4-button remotes, giving you convenient control over your vehicle's functions. With it, you can start your engine, lock and unlock your doors remotely. Programmable auto start and runtime options offer flexibility. Want smartphone control or additional remotes? Several upgrade options are available to customize your experience. Check the link for details. We're here to help. Access our online support resources or contact our US-based tech support team for assistance. What we like. This remote starter includes 2 remotes and offers an impressive 1,500-foot range, along with programmable options for customized functionality. It's designed for those who want extensive control and long-distance operation. If you need a powerful and versatile remote start system, this is the one for you. What people say. Installed on my 04 Duramax, everything went well. Easy to follow instructions, very pleased. I actually purchased a second one for my wife's 2011 Chevy Equinox the very next week, installed it yesterday. It was super easy, works great, good product for the money. This system has worked flawless since I installed it about 2 years ago now. I like that it was all plug and play and no splicing of wires. I was a bit skeptical about this being completely plug and play. To my surprise, it actually was plug and play. The key fob is pre-programmed and the lock-unlock feature worked without any additional programming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.